Welcome back to Trigonometry Part 1, Episode 2. In this Episode 2, we shall be looking at complementary angles. Complementary angles. Now, as we know, complementary angles are angles that sum up to 90 degrees. Okay, so with that same trig ratios, let's say I have this right angle triangle and I call here A, I call here B, and I call here C. Now, if here is theta, then here is going to be, the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So if here is already 90 and here is theta, they did tell you that here is 45. They say here is theta, which means to get here, here and here we share the other 90 because the sum is already 180. Only here has taken 90. So here and here we share 90. So if here is theta, then here will be 90 minus theta. All right. Now let's emphasize on this theta first. So if here is a capital letter B, the side opposite here is here. I will call here small b. I will call here small a. I will call here small c. Okay. So what now happen with the same trig ratio now? Remember, sine theta, opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. Now the opposite of this theta is b, which is b over hypotenuse, which is c. Then cos theta, adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent is to this theta is a, so is a over c. Then tan theta, tan is what? Opposite over adjacent. Now the opposite again to the theta is b, while the adjacent is a. Now, still in the same triangle with the same letter, I want to now focus on this side now. Now, we're talking about sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta, as we know again, opposite over hypotenuse. Now, the opposite of this 90 minus theta is here. So this time around, it is now A. While the hypotenuse still remain here, because the side facing here, over C. Then cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the adjacent to this 90 minus theta is here, which is B, over the hypotenuse still remains C, over C. Then tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is opposite over adjacent. All right. The opposite to this 90 minus theta is here, A, while the adjacent is B. That is A over B. Now, let us now compare here and here. What is common? You will discover that here we have sine theta as B over C. Do we see have any 90 minus theta that have B over C, which is this? So you can see that sine theta is equal to B over C. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to B over C, which means the relationship between sine theta, between sine and cos is that sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So sine theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. The same thing again, you can see that cos theta is equals to A over C, and sin 90 minus theta is equals to A over C. So which means cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta. So this is the relationship between sine and cos. The relationship between sine and cos. Okay. For instance, if we are told that find the value of theta if sine 5 theta is equals to cos 50 degree, okay, equal to 70 degree. 5 theta is equal to cos 70 degree. So all you need to do is to apply this rule to solve something like this. Even if they put cos 2 theta plus 70. Even if they put it like that, whatever they put, no problem. They find the value of theta. Your understand is to express either here to be cos so that we have cos, or here should be sine so that we have sine. Okay. Now let's say I want here. I want here to be cos. If I want here to be cos, I will come here and pick this one. I will pick cos theta is equals to sine 90 minus theta. So it means that anywhere I see so cos theta is equals to sine 90 minus theta. Since I want here, I want here to be cos. Okay, because I want here to be cos, sorry, I will come and pick this one. I want here to be cos. But if I want here to be sine, I will pick this one. So I want here to be cos. So I will pick this first one. I can still use this one, but it will be shorter if we apply this one. So sine theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. So, and when you look at this now, this sine theta has 5 theta here. So in place of this theta now, I will put 5. So if I put sine 5 theta, it means that anywhere I see theta here too, I will also put 5 theta. So which means this will now be cos 90 minus 5 theta. So in other words, in place of this sine 5 theta now, I will now put cos 90 minus 5 theta. So what I will now have is, I will have cos 90 minus 5 theta is equals to cos 2 theta plus 70 degree. Now cos is not the same, cos will cancel out. So I have 90 minus 5 theta is equals to 2 theta plus 70 degree. Collect like terms. So I have 90 minus 70 is equals to 2 theta plus 5 theta. This will now give me 7 theta is equals to 90 minus 70 is 20. So theta is equals to 70 divided by 20 divided by 7. 20 divided by 7, and you simplify that and you get your answer as theta. So that is example of how you apply this relationship between sine and cos. Okay, so there are many other examples to it. You can consult your textbook, or if you have any problem, you can let me know in the comments, all right, the comment section. All right, so that is it. So now let us now look at, because I need something here. Let me still leave this one. Let us now look at the reciprocal of trig ratio. Reciprocal of trig ratio. All right. We did same this year. Now, reciprocal is that if I have sine theta okay, now sec theta is usually equal to 1 over cos theta. So the reciprocal of cos theta will give us sec, which we call secant theta. Then why cosec theta is 1 over sine. So the reciprocal of sine, reciprocal means 1 over. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 over 2. Reciprocal of 1 over 2 is 2. All right. Cosec theta, the reciprocal of 1 over sine will give you cosecant theta. Then cotangent. The reciprocal of cotangent is 1 over tan. It's 1 over tan theta. Now, when you look at sine theta here, is b over c. Sine theta is b over c, which means cosec theta will give us 1 over b over c, which will equal to this c will go up, the same as c over b. Now, when you look at secant theta, sec is 1 over cos, and cos is a over c. A over c, that is 1 over a over c, which is equals to c over a. Okay, then cot, which is cotangent, cot is cotangent, which is equals to 1 over tan. And what is our tan? Our tan is b over a. Now it's 1 over B over A, which is equals to what? A over B. All right. Cot is also equal to, okay, before then, let's see, tan theta. Tan theta is also equal to sine theta over cos theta. Sine theta is also equal to sine theta over cos theta. So the reciprocal here is also equal to what? It's also equal to cos theta over sine theta. Now, if you put your cos theta, where is cos theta? Cos theta is A over C. If I put A over C for cos theta over sine theta is B over C, you see that I will get this back. B over C, far to far over near to near. That is A times C over C times B. So C will cancel C, so you now have A over B. And that is what we have here. So take note that tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. And cot is cos theta over sine theta, as the case may be. All right. So having established that, let us now look at even this 90 minus theta. There's also a relationship between the sine, between the cosec, sec, and all those things. Because if you still look at 90 minus theta, if you look at 90 minus theta, let's look at the 90 minus theta one again, okay? 90 minus sine 90 minus theta. Remember now that sec theta is 1 over, this time around is sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta. 1 over, which is sec is 1 over cos, which is B over C. B over 1 over B over C, which is C over B. Reciprocal. Then cosec, which is 1 over sine. 1 over sine. This time is cosec 90 minus theta. Okay? 90 minus theta. So the cosec 90 minus theta is 1 over sine. And what is sine? 90 minus theta is A over C. 1 over A over C is C over A. So this is the C over A. Then cot, as we know, is 1 over tan. So 1 over tan 90 minus theta, we are talking about cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta, which is 1 over tan 90 minus theta is A over B. The reciprocal will now be B over A. The reciprocal will now be B, okay? Oh yeah, the reciprocal will now be B over A. B over A. All right. So now, let us even compare now. Let us compare them now and see which one is equal. We have C over B here. We have C over B here. It means sec 90 minus theta is equals to cosec theta. Is that clear? All right. Now, what about C over A? Okay, we have C over A here. It means cosec 90 minus theta is equals to sec theta. That's the relationship between cosec and sec. Then let's see, do we have B over A? B over A. Okay, we have B over A here. It means cot 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta, because it's the same B over A. So those are the relationship of reciprocal and complementary angles. I hope you find this class interesting. All right. Don't forget to follow me and revise what we have done. Thank you.